Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning how to make the button hole using the tabletop machine. More is my product name, so let's just dive right into it. So to have a neat finishing this way, we have to change the sewing foot to a zipper. To a button hole foot. So I did that already, and I have to change my stitch. So I use my stitch selector to go on to one for this camera. The one, those one upwards, those are for my buttonholes. When I go to the width, I increase the width to 2.5 for this stitch, and then I increase the sewing length to 24 where the green is. You might always just check with your machine manual to know where you're meant to put yours. So that's what I did. I put the width, stitch width to 2.5 and stitch length to 3. So here I try the calibration to know the wideness of the buttonholes I want to make. For me, I don't want it wide, so I'll just set it at number 4, and then I put my fabric and make sure that the number 4 is set, so you can go above as much as you want it wide. So I selected the one, I'm already there, so I'm just going to stitch since I'm already in the stitch selection number 1. So I'm just sewing it down. So when I get to the end now, I have to go to the sewing machine again and change the selector again to 4-2. Yeah, that's where I'm touching the 4-2. Select it. Basically, this one will just make it to back stitch. So I'm going to just back stitch there. So when I change to 4-2, that is what we have on that green. It's going to back stitch now. And then I'll go ahead again and I'll take it to number 3. That's the upper one, and also again this one will sew it backward. We already sew the left hand side, so it's going to sew the right hand side now. So you're just going to stitch it backwards, and yeah, this is what we have here. Oh, it got stuck there, so just try to help with my hand and push it forward. So that's what we have now. And then I'll go again to my 4 to the back stitching, so you can back stitch. So I'll just select the 4-2, yes, and then I'll back stitch since I am done with the sewing. So I do that now, and then I'll back stitch it. If you have watched to this point, kindly like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So this is what we have after sewing all that. So this is what we have. Yeah, and then I'll just go ahead and do another one so we can see. So I'll set it to calibration number 4. I'll place it down and select my 1, and I stitch it. And I'm gonna I'll just select the 4 and 2, that's back stitching, and then select the 3, and then I'll back stitch. So this is just what I did for the remaining. Yeah, so this is what we have, and we're done. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.